Did you know replacing a Tesla Model 3 battery could cost as much as buying a brand new small car? Astonished face whether you're an owner or just EV curious. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Tesla Model 3 battery replacement, cost, lifespan, and the smart way to save money. The battery is the heart of your Tesla Model 3. On average, it lasts 300,000 to 500,000 miles. That's about 15 to 20 years of driving for most people. But here's the catch. If your battery ever fails outside warranty, you're looking at a replacement bill of $12,000 to $20,000 US. Ouch. So how does a Tesla Model 3 battery replacement actually work? At a Tesla service center, the entire battery pack is removed from underneath the car and swapped with a new or refurbished pack. The process can take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on availability. The good news? You can delay or even avoid replacement by following smart battery care tips. Back-end index pointing right, don't charge to 100% daily. Stick to 80 to 90% for longer life. Backhand index pointing right, avoid keeping your battery at very low charge for long periods. Backhand index pointing right, and use Tesla's regenerative braking to keep stress off the battery. Here's the exciting part. Tesla is working on new 4,680 battery cells designed to last even longer and cost less. That means future Model 3 replacements could be cheaper and more efficient than ever. So, should you worry about replacing your Tesla Model 3 battery? Not really. Treat it well, and it'll likely outlast your ownership. But it's always smart to know the costs and options. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more EV insights, and share this video with a Tesla fan. For more details, you can now on evrescuehub.com. See you in the next ride.